My name is Marco Kramer, and I work in our Technical Customer Support Department. A universal deburring machine for laser-cut parts, the EdgeBreaker 6000. The machine can deburr and edge round the entire spectrum of laser-cut parts, consistent and uniquely powerful. The machine is comprised of 3 processing units: a wide belt unit outfitted with a grinding belt for deburring, rotor brushes for edge rounding. It also includes an additional unit for surface finishing. The EdgeBreaker 6000 shines where small and large sheet metal parts are being processed, especially when constantly changing processing requirements are necessary. For example, in laser job shops or in mechanical engineering. The rotor is the heart of the machine. It makes contact with the sheet metal edges from all sides and is therefore the ideal media for extremely consistent and high-quality edge rounding results. If required, you can apply a surface finish to your parts. Another unique feature of the EdgeBreaker is the operating concept. The user interface suggests the appropriate processing settings based on the part parameters and the desired result. Consumables wear is also measured and adjusted automatically.